Oh yeah. Hey my people, welcome back to venvenmusic, yeah, and country life. Yes, now a great way to start your day is to start it with a hot cup of mint tea. Oh yeah, vitamin C mint tea. You want manganese mint tea, boost of energy mint tea. Why? It contains iron mint tea. Yeah, so today I will be showing you and exploring with 3 different types of mint today, my people. So you want to stick and stay for that. Remember to like, yes, share this video and to subscribe and click the bell that says all. Yes, my people. Yes, and have your friends and family join the venvenmusic and country life family. So here we have the black mint. Yes, and this is what it looks like. And why it is called the black mint is because the stem of it is black. Yeah, so here we have it. This one is called the black mint. Yes, and you can see the leaves of it. Really nice. Yes. And this one right here, you call it the cologne mint. Yes, my people, here you have it right here. So this is the one we call the cologne mint. Yes, and as you can see, the leaves are much broader than the black mint. Yes, and there you have it, the cologne. This is the one we call the rock mint. Yes, or the soldier mint. Yes. So the top benefits of drinking a hot cup of mint tea. It does help with your digestion. If you have digestion problems, mint tea helps with that. Now, mint tea also calms the nerves. So if you have, stressful nights, stressful days, mint tea can help to relieve that also. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, yes, and there's pain, in your colon, in your bowels, it can help also with that. Now you can use mint water as well to wash the face in the mornings, my people. Yes, and that will also aid in you having clean, clear, and healthy skin. It can help, to relieve simple colds, yes, and flu if you're fighting that. And for those who are struggling with migraine, yes, it does help with controlling your migraine. Yes, my people. And for those who, mothers who have breastfeeding pain, it can help to relieve that as well. If you have bad breath or you're struggling with, bad breath, mint can help with that. You can steep the mint, have the water, and swish in the mouth. And also with drinking the tea, that can help to control your bad breath as well. Yes, and it's one of the things that stays in your mouth after drinking. Yes, it gives fresh breath. Yes, my people, so there you have all super benefits. You want to lose weight? It does help with that. Mint tea. So you want manganese mint tea, a little iron mint tea, vitamin C mint tea. My people, it's just mint tea. In the morning tea, mint tea. When the sunrise tea, mint tea. Yeah. And you can sweeten, my people. You can sweeten to your liking. And there you have the rock mint and here you have the black mint. Yes. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome and informative video.